Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues or problems that you have on Monopoly Go. To know how to fix or how to solve your Monopoly Go banner, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about Monopoly Go and you will answer here in this window. When you will find it, you will go here, then we click on first stop. After that we click storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.